Welcome back to my channel. Hello friends. Ngasi akhoi tawgadoriba video part china Ctet ki previous year question ne. Akhoi Ctet ki question analyze tawraga su Ctet ta hangiba question singse state ki any date to bottom repeat tawba yawni ko syllabus se samanabani aduna akhoi Ctet ta ki prepare tawraga su Manipur date ta su dum common tabani ko. Aduna akhoi hojik tawdorisina science ki previous year question ne. Science की अहानबा question है Which of the following statement best describe the nature of science? Nature of science की को खुना statement पीरिबा statements इंदगी यामना best ओइबसे करमबनो सिने Scientists are totally objective in their work. Scientists सिंगसिना मखोइगी work से totally objective होइगद्रा The scientific method is the only guide for conducting research. Research conduct तौबा मतमदा only scientific method चिखक्तंग होइगद्रा अदु नत्रगा science is a system of belief. Science है belief की system of ओइब्रा नत्रगा science is social in nature. Science है social in nature ओइगद्रसिने जोजी छिकी सिदा कोइना question number 61 की आंसर है D 4 से ओइदेबा science is social in nature से ओइदेनेबा scientist सिंगसिना मखोइगी work तो पूरा totally objective तो कोइबसु यादे अदगी अखोइना science की research conduct तौबा मतमदा scientific method चिखक्तंग नते it may be the action research तौरसु याय experimental method तौरगसु याय survey method तौरगसु याय मयाम तौबा यारी scientific method चिखक्तंग हाइबे यादे को अदगी science से belief खक्तन यादे science di science is dependent on facts अखोइगी facts सिंग द depend तौदुइने बको अदुना सिगी option अहु मक्से लादगी option बड़ी शुबसे सिदा चुमदुइनी science is social in nature से ओइदुइने Mathangi question number 2 dana cognitive validity in science curriculum means cognitive validity akoigi science curriculum da cognitive validity harisi karino sin cognitive validity haragadi akoigi content process oiba adagi language pedagogical practice of the curriculum singse asise cognitive validity ne doidi sigi piribo option sida dilution of content inclusion of appropriate fun element of science, inclusion of how concept of science evolve over the time, adaptation of content as part of the cognitive level of the learner. Judi cognitive validity haragadi ahanbasu haibadoina cognitive validity haragadi akhoi content processes language pedagogical practice of the curriculum which is based on the is appropriate and with the cognitive level of the child angangi cognitive level of the learner do adugi matung ina laigadoi sigi question number 62 gi answer sidi 4 oidoineba khoina curriculum ki ko sigi cognitive validity laina atopa validity singchu laiba like khoida content validity laigani adagi process validity laigani historical validity laigani environmental validity laigani ethical validity laigadeba ko sigummadudi adum science ki pedagogy ki portion tawakpadu mai explain tawrage mathangina according to NCF 2005 in the upper primary stage science curriculum which of the following is recommended national curriculum 2005 the upper primary stage sing science curriculum ki matang da kari recommend tawramano sini curriculum framework se khoina 1975 1988 2000 2005 ki curriculum nei ko asigi marakta hojik chatnari se khoina 2005 की curriculum से चटने तो national curriculum framework से कोई ना NCERT ना publish हाइदी मखोई तो थोक मखोई पुथोकनी को अदुना मखोई main aim से कहीं नो हाबदा कोई syllabus कुम्बा textbook कुम्बा teaching practice से असीजा मखोई ना guideline तक दोइने अदुनी करी 2005 की curriculum द upper primary stage की अंगांग सिंह को science curriculum द कई recommend तवरमी हाइबा मतंदा concept should be linked with making sense of everyday experience. Particular science concept to angang shingi everyday experience singse asiga link tawgadamni asisma hairame mathangdana concept should be arrived at form activity and experience concept should be arrived form c se oyjone 63 gi answer se a ga b ga se mathangi question sina question number 64 From the following identity the statement that is true about the science. ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ statement ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ. When the theory has been supported by a great deal of scientific evidence, it becomes laws. In time, science will be able to solve most of the society's problems. Science rely heavily on imagination to carry out their work. All the scientific ideas are discovered and tested by controlled experiments. So, the question number 64 के answer से 3 ही हुई दोनों. Scientists rely heavily on imagination to carry out their work. को 64 के answer 3 हो रहा है. Mathangina issue was given an individual task of collecting weather report of a week. Identified where issue went wrong from the assessment indicator given below. Ko. Adudi sigi piriba option sida she conclude that decreased humidity increase the likelihood of rainfall. She understand that range of maximum and minimum temperature varied every day. She tabulate data from the website every day. She arrived at conclusion that rain may or may not take place in the coming week. 65 के आंसर से दी वाद से उजो देबा. She conclude that decreased humidity increase in likelihood of rainfall. 65 के आंसर ए हो जाएगा. मथंग के क्वेश्चन देना. Which of the following is a useful strategy to understand the conceptual gap in the learner? 66 के आंसर दी using concept map. Concept map से हो देने को homework regularly homework period खाने दे organizing the quiz session observing the practical skills से दी मोटे दी लोइने दी best दी using concept maps ने. मथंगी question number 67 गिना. To encourage more girls to take part of science, you may adopt all of the following strategy except 하이버니까. 두나 시기 바락시데기 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ use ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ negative ꯑꯣꯏꯕ statement ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ find out ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ. Invite women scientists to visit your classroom. Encourage students in examine myth and stereotype about the science. Use gender-sensitive language and encourage your students to do so. Be mindful that girls always dominate discussion in science in classroom. Do not 67 the answer CD. Option number 4. Be mindful that girls always dominate the discussion in science in classroom. Mathandana, why is a plant which does not have chlorophyll? What could why be? Chlorophyll yaudaba plant se karambano e pitcher plant oigadra, maple tree oigadra, kastuka oigadra, algae oigadra. Duidi 71 ge answer si 1 se oidaba pitcher plant se oidaba. Mathangi question dana, which of the following statement is correct? Previous statement singsidagi achumba. Assimilation of food take place in large intestine. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ food assimilation ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ large intestine ꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, large intestine ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ finger like projection that is villi ꯗ present ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ, large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine, absorption of digested food take place in large intestine. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ option ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 3 ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ. large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ. Mathangi question dana, which of the following statement is not true regarding the life cycle of silk? Life cycle of silk ki achumdabaneba khoina hadi negative oiba statement ne find out tawdoise. Silk fiber are proteins secreted by the caterpillars. Silk yarn is obtained from the cocoon of the silk moth. The larvae of the silk moth are called as caterpillars. The pupa develop into the caterpillar. Achumbadi haidi karamanu habada not which of the following statement is not true. Chumdaba ko adu eji ekhoida sigi option number 4 sha choiduneba pupa sina caterpillar develop tawpanateba pupa na develop tawpase butterfly neba aduna 74 gi answer di 4 choideba. Mathangi question na, which of the following represent the correct math set? Ko asigi math column se achumba set se kuna find out tawdoini. Help in the movement of the body by contraction and relaxation. Adudi a gi se muscle se hoideba. Hard structure which form the skeleton form the wakan basi kaino have the b id 4 se hoideba. Bones se hoideba. Part of skeleton which can be bent skeleton की part होइबा but bend over habase cartilage. Join the chest bone and backbone together to form an enclosure. D briefcase. Duna 74 की answer D 4 से होइबा. तो मथंगिना which of the following gland in human beings secrete more than two hormones? More than two hormones secrete over glands. Pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, or pituitary. Adidi pituitary glands oideba. Khoi pituitary glands na growth hormones, prolactin, adagi thyroid stimulating hormones asi mayam se loina pituitary gland dagi release tawakpaneba. Aduna 75 ki answer di 4 se oideba. Mathangdadi which of the following statement is true? Achumba statement find out tawdini. All non-metal are gases. Non-metal loina gases oibra. Non-metal all non-metal are non-ductile. Non-metal khudimak non-ductile oibra. All metal are solid oibra. All metals are hard oibra. Aduna 76 ki answer di 2 se oidiba. All non-metal are non-ductile. Non-metal loina gases oide. Non-metal gases loina oide. Metal khudimak loina hard oide. Metal loina solid oide. Ko aduna question number 76 की आंसर से all non-metal are non-ductile. को 2 से oidiba. Mathangi question now. Why is the man-made fiber often from the natural source? What could be why? Why hariba posak se man-made fiber neba natural source se gi semakpa. Adudi why se karambano sineba. Kuina fiber se mu makhalani thongna laiko. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber da singdo se cotton, silk, wood, si singche natural da singdo. Synthetic da like acrylic gumba, rayon gumba, adudagi koina nylon gumba se synthetic to oidoineba. Natra aduidi acrylic se kaino sigi option number A the yaur se synthetic fiber ni man-made ni natra jute naturally but city Manipur naturally man-made to natiko didi rayon they nylon rayon se rayon sineba man-made oiba rayon se mo akhoi natural sourcing se haidi wood ki pulp to adudagi semakpa po neba rayon se ko tuna question number 77 ki answer di kaino se 3 si oidoiba rayon si oidoineba mathangina 78 kina study the following fuel calorific value state ignition temperature. Metric value haradi kaino habada amount of heat energy which is present in the food or the fuel. Hadi calorific value hadi heat energy ki amount neba. Koi food ta fangbra natraga fuel da fangina adu neba. Calorific value ki unit se kilojoule per kilogram se asisi neba. Adunana option number 78 ki answer se di akoina C se oidoiba. Moderate gases ID fuel से C की fuel से को calorific value से moderate ओइबा तारगदी मागी state से gases ओइगनेबा and ignition temperature से C to moderate ओइगनेबा दुना 78 की आंसर डी 1 ओइदेबा 79 na spaces restricted to the particular area are referred to as endemic spaces kawika particular geographical area to the restricted oiba spaces से endemic spaces नेबा Mathangna, metal X displays metal Y from the salt solution, but it is not able to displace metal Z from its salt solution. Identify the most reactive metal. Metal X hariba metal C Y ga displace the matabda form its salt solution from the web, but but it is not able to displace metal jet ka displace to ngamdi adudi particular metal since the most reactive metal se karambanu adudi jet si oidodi jet is the most reactive metal neba 80 ki answer se 1 oideba mathangdana Mathangi question dana question number 81 sina light ray form an object fall on the surface and get reflected in a completely diffuse manner. What can you say about the nature of image from it? Question number 81 की answer दी no image will be formed. 81 की answer से 2 ओइदोइबा. Mathangdana in order to slide a huge box laying on the ground in her room, Resma should apply a force which is greater than which of the following force. Question number 82 की answer दी static friction से ओइदोइबा. ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯅ identify the correct statement from the amount of the following ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ question number 83 ꯒꯤ answer ꯁꯤꯗꯤ 1 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ sound cannot travel through the vacuum 83 ꯒꯤ answer ꯁꯤ 1 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ which of the following get comprised liquid which are poor conductor of electricity 84 ꯒꯤ answer ꯁꯤ 1 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ shampoo vegetable oil distilled water ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ 84 ꯒꯤ answer 1 ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ which of the following set comprise the chemical reaction ꯀꯣ chemical reaction comprise ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ 85 ꯒꯤ answer ꯁꯦ 2 ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ rusting of iron burning of paper digestion of food these all are the chemical changes so 85 ꯒꯤ answer is 2 ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯀꯥꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯁꯟꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ speed is equal to distance by time time is equal to distance by speed and average speed total distance by total time गी formula पालगा खोदकदबा calculation ni after calculation we will get the answer 6 kilometer per hour so 86 की answer से 3 से होइदेबा मथंगदना which of the following will not help in the process of separating the mixture of salt and water gi mixture the help tawdaba process se karambano sini aduidi question number option number 1 distillation boiling decantation or filtration so akoina distillation haragadi it is a process of separating component of mixture based on the different boiling point natra separation of mixture separate tawnabaneba but distillation haisisu boiling haisisu separate tawnabanni in the form of vapor to form that filtration sisu natra decantation haragana kaino haibada id akoina liquid layer id mathakta removal of liquid layer du ne and also it separate the insoluble solid that settle at the bottom particular kaino amagi bottom da leiriba insoluble solid sing to separate tawbase koina decantation hai natra adudana mixture of salt in solution remove tawbagi processing separate tawbagi process akogi oiroi du base not se kamano habada decantation chine dudi question number 87 gi answer se 3 oidu mathangdana which of the following properties of light can be used to explain the phenomena of the shadow formation so 88 ki answer cd 2 se oidu d gi a ga light does not pass through the opaque object light travel in the straight line oidu mathangdana 89 dana identify the correct statement from the following ko adudi 89 gi answer cd ekhina option number 2 se oidoine 1 se nate ko 2 se oidoine the proportion of fine particle in the clay soil is relatively higher than in the loamy soil sigi se oidoine mathangi 90 question last question sina deficiency of vitamin x cause bleeding gum this vitamin is essential of absorption of mineral y and x is found in food chain identified x and y chain ko adudi 90 ki answer se vitamin 90 ki answer se 4 oidoine that X vitamin से vitamin C ni Y na iron ni Z na citrate ni ko aduna 90 cancer di 4 ni so ngasi gi question gi kaino se si question sina loire ngasi gi video si di background sound chu khara dum yaw khre aduna ko dum khara tolerate dominarasi da kisi oina thank you